As we mentioned in a previous video, we are going to talk about these double arrows here and here. If you turn off the multiple tabs, you would also have a set of double arrows here, and each new book view that you open will also have double arrows. Right now, as you can see, I have Genesis 1:1 is my highlighted verse with the associated cross references. You notice how some of the titles in my dictionaries and some of the titles in my commentaries are highlighted. That means that there is information on that verse in those titles. Now, as you can see, not everything is showing up on this main title bar, and if I was to turn this into a multi-tab row, just like we did the Bibles, there would be more here than what I could view. So the double arrows can be a benefit when you click them. Again, the highlight and the little red button means that that particular dictionary, remember we're in dictionary category, has something to say on the highlighted verse or whatever verse you've selected. And the same thing is true in commentaries. If I was to click the double right, you can see I have highlights. So I have a variety of commentaries that have something to say about Genesis 1:1. For now, I'm going to quickly change my bottom right from commentaries to books. And again, you see the highlights that tells me what books that are available in your entire library that have something to say on Genesis 1:1. I'm going to change this back to commentaries, and we're going to be using Matthew Henry, the whole Bible commentary. Now you know what the double right arrows are. They both show you info, and they show you who has something to say. Now, with regard to your title bar, if I was to click this and say I want to take a look at the International Standard Bible Encyclopedia, if I click that, notice it automatically gets added to the title bar, and it's highlighted, and that's my active, and now I can see what it is that it has to say. If I go back to my double arrows, you notice the ISBE is no longer there. The reason it isn't because it now appears on my title bar. So from a certain point of view, you can also use the double right arrows to indicate these are documents that are available to you that aren't currently active. You could, however, type in the search in either of the windows for a particular book, and you could find, and it would reference the works that are in your double arrows.